Welcome to PMC English. This is Padmalata Varanasi. A master is the one who has no worries, no hurries, and does not waste his time, as said by Patriji. Welcome to the show, Be a Master. Today we have one more young master with us, Srilaya. Let us know more about her. Welcome, Srilaya.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah. So, tell about yourself.
My name is Srilaya. My mom name Rajani, dad's name Jay Kumar. We live in Hyderabad. We are doing meditation from past 12 to 13 years.
So, when did you start your meditation?
I know meditation at the age of 3, but I started doing from my 6th class.
So, from then on, you started meditating regularly. How much time do you meditate?
It depends on my age.
Okay. So, as per your age, you
Yeah,
do that
I used to
minimum time.
increase when my age is also increasing.
Perfectly that. Not more, not less.
I used to keep that Tibetan music, and if I have leisure time, I used to do with that music. So how much the music is there, that much time I used to do. I like that music. So
Okay. So, what are your hobbies?
my hobbies are generally differ by my ages and standards. When I was in schooling, I learned music for literally 10 years. So after schooling, inter was very tough time. Then again I started drawing. I came into art.
So, you learned music,
Yeah, I learned music.
vocal?
Yeah, vocal.
Okay, fine.
So I went till Geeta's, but due to this inter
That's a pretty
schedule,
good reach.
yeah, very good reach. So many breaks came in my school timings. I used to change teachers also because no one used to sit properly, so I used to change. But finally, I did 3 years continuously, but again I completed my 10th, then inter mein I couldn't.
So, that was your hobby till 10th
10th
class?
class,
Okay,
yeah.
10th standard. What's the next change in your hobby?
Then after 10th in inter, I started drawing. So no one taught me or I didn't go and learned. It just came by default, I think. So I just draw.
Okay.
Then after inter, that was a pandemic time. Then no college, no admissions are there. So then I used to write poems and quotations and short stories on life, love, and anything to one page known as Samosa page in
Instagram.
Instagram. So I did that for 1 year. That pandemic whole year I used to write to them. I went to small quizzes, competitions which they attended. So I used to do like that.
So, you made your lockdown period quite productive.
Yeah, productive.
Very good. Very good.
I didn't know that I have that talent in me. Just they told, just give a try, just one line. So I wrote a poems, I wrote many stories. So they liked it. And people used to get connected to those. So I felt happy, okay, someone is really being
Getting
happy,
benefit.
yeah, benefited. So I was quite happy and they used to text me. I really approach this in my life now. So that connection I liked.
So, they could correlate and
Yeah.
they liked it very
Liked
much.
it very much.
Okay. So, does your parents do meditation?
Yeah, they do.
So, you learned meditation from them?
Yes, from
Okay.
them. When we were 3, no, what we will understand how to do, what to do, we don't know anything, right? So my mom used to do, but I was very little girl. So she just used to sit before dayas and I used to sleep before her, in front of her. So like that I used to do meditation in sleeping. She used to do meditation. So then after I used to listen to Patri sir Sangeetam, flute, and then I used to sleep quietly. When everyone used to clap, then I used to wake up.
Okay.
Like that my childhood was good.
So, you have a good rapport with your parents?
Yeah, very good
support.
rapport. Yeah, support.
Very good. So, they encourage you.
Yeah, they encourages me always.
What differences you can find when they do meditation? If they don't do meditation, what differences can you find? You see your friends too, right?
There'll be lot of change. My parents will always say, do whatever you like because they know what I am. So first I think a parent should know about the kids properly. When I was 3 years, I'm in this spiritual path. So they guided me very well, what I feel. So I know what is good and bad. So they have trust on me basically. So they will be okay. She can manage herself. She can stand on her leg. She have some little bit of spiritual knowledge, public knowledge. They will allow me. But coming to my friends' parents, they are very, um, what to say, full of studies, and they won't let the kid to do what he likes also. Only studies, education, education. I don't think
Marks
that
and this thing, that's
marks.
it.
That's it.
Completely career, materialistic thing.
They don't even try to say in summer coachings also they used to send to bridge courses, mathematics and all. Why that all? In summer we have to learn something which like hobbies. So I don't.
Okay. So that difference you could observe.
Yeah, I could observe.
So
And
that
the way they speak to their kids, every time marks, marks, marks. My parents though, do whatever you want.
so they feel that you can manage yourself. You are a self-responsible person. So that type of guiding things you get from your parents.
My parents are like they will discuss everything with me. It may be financial or personal, anything they will say. We are like this, our status is like this.
So they are
So
quite open.
open. So according to this, do whatever you want.
Okay.
So they'll give me that freedom. So I will also go according to them. I can't put so much burden on them, right?
Okay.
So that knowledge I got. Few people will be there. I mean, my friends, I want to study only this, but parents can't afford. So the understanding is important.
Okay.
Even I can also say because I am one kid. Okay, I'm only one kid. No, you make me study in this college. I can also say no, but the understanding is important. That I learned from meditation only.
So this is all because of this meditation energy.
Yes,
Okay.
meditation energy and knowledge.
So do you read books?
No, no.
Okay.
My mother will read. She reads lot of books, and at sleep time she will see.
You will listen to those excerpts.
Yeah, yeah, I will listen.
Okay, that's great. That's good enough.
She says me a story with example. So in life, if situation comes like that, you should do like this.
So
So
will
she
you
give me
implement?
that. Yeah, I does, but not so. But I remember everything what she says.
Okay.
And I think I like listening. That if mama says no, it will be quite interesting.
So what all activities you did in your regarding meditation? Any spiritual works?
Yeah, I did when I was in 6th class at age of 11, 12. My parents started collecting donations for Maheshwara Mahapyramid Kartal. And that was the time where it has been established. So that time no one told me. They used to collect normally.
Which year this is?
2012,
2012.
11, 12.
Yes.
So I don't know. Just I went to them and I asked them. I want a book. Even I will also start collecting that. So they were like, "What you will do? Okay, fine." They bought me a book. So I went to everyone and I asked only 10 rupees. I used to ask only 10 rupees, and they also supported me. They used to take me to each and every classes nearby areas. Whatever classes used to held, they used to take me. There also I used to collect, and people also used to appreciate me and give me more than 10 rupees. But I thought no, only 10 rupees is enough. For some time I took only 10 rupees. Then those people told, no, no, you should take because they are giving for nature, no, you should take. So like that, from my dad's friend, I received 10,000 also.
Great.
He gave me 10,000, and in 1.5 year, I gave nearly 1 lakh.
1 lakh? Yeah. Wow.
Only I did, and only 10 rupees. Maximum they have to give 10 rupees.
So
10
you
euros.
collected altogether 1 lakh and you gave that to Maheshwara Mahapyramid, Kartal. Very good, very good.
And still now people recognizes me. 10 rupees
10
girl.
rupees girl, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Patri sir also. If he sees like this, 10 rupees. So
Yes,
I
yes.
have that name.
And that is quite inspiring, Srilaya. And what more you have done?
And in pandemic, I and my friend came to do volunteer in PMC English. So we are very free. So suddenly Pradeep Anna called us and he was like, we need someone to put up. So we just went, we saw, okay, this is cool. So we did some work. And here I had an experience. After inter only pandemic came, after my inter. So then I applied to many colleges in Hyderabad, degree colleges. But my favorite college and a particular college was Bhavans, which is near to me, and my schooling also was done in that.
In Sainikpuri,
In Sainikpuri, yeah. So, but when I went for admission, the admissions are mostly closed.
Okay.
So, okay, it's okay. Then I went to St. Poise, which is in near to Nagol.
Yes.
I went there and I booked a seat. My dad paid some money and I came back. I literally forgot about that. Then I and my friend came to do here this work, and suddenly after few months, I got a call from Bhavans.
Oh, Bhavan's
Bhavans,
management,
yeah.
so college itself
I
they
know
called you.
admissions are over, but still I applied and kept. And I told my dad, try if you have any friends. So he was like, let's see. We have one college now, be stick on to that. He was like that. He prepared me like that. If you don't get Bhavans, you should not regret. Okay, fine. We paid money. What can I do? So then after coming here, after few months, I got call from Bhavans. My mom called and told me, you got call from Bhavans and tomorrow you should go and meet principal.
Okay.
Then I went and then he told a few courses. So luckily what I was interested, that course only was available there. I was interested in electronics. So I took that.
So you were interested in Bhavans,
Bhavans.
but the seats were almost closed. Okay. And also you were interested in electronics. So you were into this college which you wanted to, and the course also.
Yes.
You got what you want.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
But there in St. Paul's, my father looked at me. What? I paid money there. It's okay. My interest is here. Let's switch on to this. We went. So I thought, okay, here we are doing something which is helpful for many people. What we used to do in PMC here means old CDs of Patri sir. In English, what he talked, that we used to see and give to editor. So that he used to cut only Patri sir's lines. And that all they used to make one video or some notes and all. So okay, while doing that also we got many knowledge. So then I thought, okay, what we are giving means we are doing something which is helpful for many people. So nature gave me this, so I believe in that.
How was it working in PMC English?
Oh, it was very nice. Almost all we did 9 months.
Oh, 9 months.
9 months.
So you learned many things after editing all these Patrisas videos,
Yeah,
many points.
I learned. I know because in Telugu also he used to say the same. So nothing, okay. Once
But
again I
it's-
got a
we
time.
should again
yeah.
and again and again we should
Yes.
time and again we should listen to
Really.
all the
And it was a very good startup to my new
yes
age.
yes
So I'm going to college, which I liked, and the words which he said, I used to implement. Implement means I used to remember. So that whenever I get into a situation, I don't get panic. First I think, then I recognize what my mom said, what Patri sir told, and what knowledge I have. Then I do
So listening helped you a lot.
a lot. Because reading we can forget, means not I am telling about myself, I may forget, but when I listen to something, no, I keep in my mind every time, all time,
So listening helped you a lot.
a lot. And it was from 3 years I was listening to Patrisa's speeches now.
Yes.
Many classes, many masters. So listening became one of my hobby.
You were brought up in this meditation environment.
Yeah, brought up.
And how did you any more activities, Balavikas?
And activities means in DMC, Dhyana Mahachakram, when I was small only my mom used to take. But when I grow up, no, she put me in Balavikas, where children will be there and parents will do meditation. So there will be playing, meditating and all.
Balavikas is such a concept where parents will go for meditation
And
for
leave
that
their children here.
here.
Yes.
So that they will be engaged in all their activities,
Yeah, activities. There'll
games.
be games, painting, drawing.
You worked as a volunteer there.
No, I went as a kid and became a volunteer.
Yeah, that's what. You turned into, you
Yeah,
grew up as a volunteer.
Yeah. So I did more, 4 years I did.
Okay.
So that was a great experience because being with kids gives us special feeling. They'll be very pure and the smile we see, no, it will be so calm, peaceful. And I think for them, no volunteers are required. They will only manage things there. So they will only, at a time of meditation, they will only come and sit and do meditation.
What all activities were there in Balavikas actually?
It depends on age. We have, for below 5 years, we have 5 to 10 years movie rooms, creative room, toy room, and all, and experiments rooms where they used to keep some fruits under pyramid and some other without pyramid, and they used to see the changes, what the change is there under pyramid and without pyramid.
Experiments with pyramid.
Experiments with pyramids, and pyramid making also we used to have, and play area
Okay.
and all, and a few people used to celebrate birthdays, Christmas. Mainly Christmas was very big festival that time, so we used to celebrate. Children only used to create stars and all.
So all the decoration
All the
part,
decoration
everything
part, yeah, they used to do
they used to do actively. Wow.
actively. And the children used to come from different states also. So what all they did from this year, they used to share their experiences. It used to be cool.
Great. So you enjoyed as a volunteer there?
Yeah, I used to enjoy with the kids and as well as volunteers also.
Yes, okay. So you worked there as a team.
Yeah, team.
Were you a vegetarian earlier?
Yeah. I don't know non-veg at all because at 3 years,
Yes.
yeah, so I don't know. And I started being vegetarian from that time only. And never I had a thought to eat non-veg also. I didn't get that thought also. I used to go out with friends, but never, they used to force me. But I don't know why the brain used to not go into that. And many of my dad's friends used to bring boxes to me. I used to tell them, you should not eat, come on, we will only have veg parties. You should not eat, means they stopped coming to my home also.
Okay. Because you started lecturing them, they
Yeah,
stopped.
many of them, relatives also. Arey, why she's coming? Tell her not to come, they used to say. Because I used to take classes on vegetarian.
Okay.
So they used to avoid me for some time. Then they realized, and now most of my family members are vegetarians.
Great.
And my friends too.
That's a great
The
transformation.
friends who forced me to eat, now they are eating vegetarian with me.
Okay.
So, and one thing I really believe that I learned from Patri sir only, that he says being a meditator is secondary, but first you should be a vegetarian. So then for everyone, whoever I meet, if they are interested in spirituality, I will just say them, first be a vegetarian. Then you can be a meditator. So first, my motto is to change people into vegetarian.
Great.
Then secondary, I will slowly say them about meditation.
So once they are vegetarians, half the task is done.
Half the task is done.
Yes. Meditation comes secondary.
Secondary.
Great.
And moreover, I learned about vegetarian from Raghava sir, Bhimavaram. He used to take
Tattavati
classes.
Raghavarao,
Yeah.
sir. Yes. What you learnt?
I still remember first class in my house was done with sir only. That day my mom cooked non-veg. Yeah, because that was the time we entered into meditation. So she cooked and we were doing class. But after listening to those all, she just threw that away. But my father was like, how can we stop eating? That is not good. And so, but finally everyone became vegetarian.
That's quite interesting about your journey experience.
Every day my mother and father used to fight also due to this vegetarian non-veg. And my mom, what she does while cooking, she used to say my family should become vegetarian and she put salt. So she used to implement such things. So that then these people also turned. And my dad and my grandma,
Okay.
they used to eat for few days. But my mom, whenever she heard to ask her, she left. But small fights are going. Then she planned doing that implementation.
So she used to cook non-veg food?
No.
No, just the vegetarian food.
Vegetarian food.
And while adding salt, she used to pass on the
pass
thought
the
that
thought.
my family should become a vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
So that particular thought worked on them. Slowly they changed into vegetarian. That's a very good idea actually.
Yeah, very good idea. So what she says that only means to my house many people come to learn meditation. It's a center actually. So my mom teaches. They will be complaining. I'll be vegetarian, but my family won't be vegetarian. Means she will say this only. Whatever you do in cooking, put your thoughts in that, so that slowly they will also change.
It may take some time. We
But
should
they will
be-
change, no?
Yes, time and patience. Great, this is a very nice idea. This is the first time I'm listening to this. Very nice. So now this is a wonderful thought which your mom implemented, thought power. And what do you think about this thought power?
Thought power. They'll say law of attraction. means a positive or negative thoughts brings positive or negative experiences only. The way we think, the way we get experienced. If we think in positive, the experience will be, the result will be in positive. If we think negative, it will be in negative. So wherever you go or with whomever you be, you should be positive so that everything goes positive and smoothly. And nothing goes wrong if we be positive, right?
But being positive itself is a very hard
Hard
task, tough
task,
task.
yeah. I don't know why people do like that. They'll always be so panicked, so tensed, and be negative emotions, thoughts. But me as a meditator, always I'll be positive only. One more thing is what at time of exams, no, my friends will get most tensed people, but I'll be very calm and very chill. I'll go like going to some movie like that. They will say, "What? You're not tensed." Why tensed? Whatever I know, I will write there. If I don't know, I'll come. That's it. What is there in that to tensed? If we study, we can write well. If we don't study, what we will write? So that I learned. That much clarity I have in my life. I think that's enough. So everything is in me only. If I study only, I will write. If I don't study, how can I write?
These all things by calming your mind, that is by doing meditation, it helped you a lot. So meditation is nothing but calming our mind, this chattering mind.
Yes, and it improves health. It also puts us in a peaceful situation. Means we'll get a patience, we'll get a calmness so that we can easily get out of hard situations, I think.
Did any of your friends question that why did you start meditation at such a young age? It is for old age people.
Yeah, they asked me. They were like, why you're not eating non-veg? So for that I used to explain these all. See, meditation is for everyone because at small age people used to for studying, for achieving their goals. At some age for personal problems and at old age for peace, calmness. But everywhere meditation is useful, right? Why it is good if we do from small age only. So that we can set up beautiful goals and we can achieve them easily. So I feel and I say them, okay, okay, you will talk like this only. But now they are listening. Due to this, I don't know, I think about all about social media. Now they are getting into spirituality. I'm happy that not only, I don't think meditation only, but many quotations, like many other gurus, so they were into that path. So I'm happy. What we need, a person who can lead his life by his own with some basic spiritual knowledge. So that's our motto. So wherever he'll be, if he's doing his work means it's enough.
Yes, that's very nice to know about you, Srilaya, and your works. That all your works are quite amazing.
Moreover, when I came to know about many gurus, in PMC English when I worked, I came to know about many gurus. So I used to do research on them and I used to see Mahabharata and those all things I learned quite at my teenage. So what I found is everywhere meditation is common and vegetarian is secondary. But we first is vegetarian, then meditation. But meditation is common. The styles may be different, but the breathing is one.
Okay.
So I learned from many big gurus like Isha and all. I used to see their videos, his preachings, and but I find I will listen, but I follow Patriji
Okay.
because he will be so straightforward that he's very clear. So I like him. I like the way he says, and from him also we should learn many things. The way he teaches meditation, such a patient guy. From his early age to this time, he's still teaching meditation to so many people. He traveled many countries. And why can't we just say to our friends and families? So that point comes to me, and so that I will just try to say.
So you get inspired from Patriji.
Patriji, yeah. From him, I learned patience. He have a lot.
He's a great guru.
Great guru.
Yes. And very happy to know about all your journey, your works, your contribution to the Pyramid Spiritual Society right from your childhood. You're such a great master. You focused on many, many important things, and that shows you are a true pyramid master. And we are very glad to know, and we are very happy. And thank you for coming to Be a Master show. Thank you. this is what about our young pyramid master Srilaya and her journey, her contribution to our Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. Keep watching PMC English. Thank you.